1, 2, 3, go! Good evening, good morning to all my dear friends. Once again, this is your senior citizen vlogger, Apo Jabay Knowledge Channel. This is my vlog number 15 entitled Batang Saudi Ka Ba? As the content of this video is dedicated to all my dear friends, OFW, overseas Filipino workers working in Saudi Arabia from 1977 onwards, 1978, 79, 80, 81, 82, which I worked in Saudi Arabia at the same year. Many other friends also working in Saudi Arabia the same year. Many friends of different nationalities who work in Saudi Arabia, I also dedicated this video to all of you. In this video, I will show you the currencies of this period from 1982 to 1984. The currencies of King Faisal period. Watch this video from the beginning and please watch till the end. So to begin with, the year 1977, and many Filipinos and other Asian nations starting to leave their families and going to Saudi Arabia, going to Middle East, inspired by the one same dreams of having a much better life for their family back home. But unfortunately, not every dream comes to reality. Others ended up in unwanted misery. From January 8 of 1982, the Blessed Almighty gave me the opportunity to board the Philippine Airlines bound to Karachi, Pakistan. And after 13 hours of stopover in Karachi, Pakistan, again, we boarded the plane, the Pakistan International Airlines going to Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, for a change plane and a domestic flight going to Najran, Saudi Arabia, which is my final destination. After staying for 2 days in the central office in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, my company, CDCP personnel pets us up and then traveled again by land of 360 kilometers from Najran, Saudi Arabia to the North Sulail project, which my work plane and my homeland for 2 years. Never in my dreams that I will stay in the middle of the desert for 2 years. These pictures will show you on how is our life and our work in Saudi Arabia. As I said, in the middle of the desert. My life in Saudi Arabia. The first picture is the base camp, kilometer 45, which is in the middle of the desert. Picture taken in long distance. Our kilometer 45 base camp, situated in the middle of the desert. Close picture. So this is the all of heavy equipments that I've been working for as a earth movers mechanic or heavy equipment mechanic during my company of Construction and Development Corporation of the Philippines, the CDCP. So these pictures on how they work the motorized scraper as they are self-loading in the sand dunes, repealing the pilot roads that we need to build. This picture was my first 3 months of working with my team on the day shift. The picture shows also with the roving supervisor, the day shift. On my work on the Caterpillar scrapers with a broken engine. This my other team which also working on the daytime shift, preparing lunch time in the desert. Another picture upon how we prepare our lunch in the desert. So after cooking, we will need to eat now. There is no any shelter to use. It's not so easy to live in the desert for 2 years. This is how we live in Saudi Arabia during our working days in the desert. This my other group, my other friend, mechanics and electricians who are working now on night shift. And after work, I will show you our sleeping quarters, our barracks. We will stay for 2 years. the sleeping quarters, so-called the Porta Cabins, that we will stay in these Porta Cabins for 2 years. And this is my first Christmas day in the desert, as this picture taken December 24 of 1982. This picture is my first Christmas day, also remembering my beloved families in the Philippines at this time, so-called homesick. This picture taken Nadjiran province, as I don't have too much pictures on the downtown of Nadjiran, and this is the picture in Nadjiran city proper. Another picture also in the Nadjiran city proper with my Saudi friend. My dear friends, after this short story and pictures as I'm staying in Saudi Arabia, or where I live for 2 years, next I will show you the currencies of Saudi Arabia. This is the complete set of Saudi riyals during 1982 to 1984, during my work in Saudi Arabia within this year. I'm so amazed as I see the currencies of Saudi Arabia, the different sizes on each denomination. The bigger the amount, the larger in size. As you can see, the 1 riyal, 5 riyal, 10 riyals, 50 riyals, and 100 riyals on the top. So this is the 1 riyal of the Saudi Arabia. The portrait of King Faisal on the right side, and the mountains on the center, and also the watermark area on the left side. On the back side, we'll see the old airport and the top heading of Saudi Arabian Monetary Agency, and the 1 riyal denomination on 4 corners and on the bottom at center. Next is the 5 riyals, which also shows the portrait of King Faisal on the right side, and on the center is the irrigation canal watermark area, and on the back side is the top heading of Saudi Arabian Monetary Agency, and also the irrigation dam at center. And the third note is the 10 riyals. We can see the picture of King Faisal on the right side, and the oil drilling platform on the center, also the watermark area on the left side. Next is the denomination of 50 riyals. Also shows the picture of King Faisal and the arches of the mosque at the center, also with the watermark area on the left side. And on the back side is the courtyard of the mosque, the Saudi Arabian Monetary Agency in top heading, also 50 riyals denomination in 4 corners. And to complete the 5 pieces set, the complete set of Saudi Arabian riyals during my stay in Saudi Arabia in 1982 to 1984. This is also the large note, or the large paper money, showing the picture now is King Abdulaziz, also the beautiful mosque at the center, and also the watermark area on the left side. And on the back side, you can see the long building of the arches of the mosque, and also the top heading of Saudi Arabian Monetary Agency, symbol of Saudi Arabia, and the 4 denominations of 100 riyals in 4 corners. So all my dear friends, as I show you my pictures as I live in Saudi Arabia for 2 years, and also the currencies of Saudi Arabia we use during the period of 1982 to 1984. I hope if you finish watching this video on whatever is your nationality, and also to all my friends OFWs and to all my dear friends worldwide, please help me by subscribing this video. Also comment, likes, and share my video so other friends who've been Saudi Arabia for within this period, they can also watch these videos. Please push the notification bell as well so you'll be updated on my next video, Batang Saudi Part 2. The next videos also I will dedicate to all of you, not only on OFWs in Saudi Arabia, but most of all to all overseas Filipino workers around the world. Thank you very much, my dear friends, all my colleagues, to all my Sadiqs in other countries, also in Saudi Arabia. Keep safe to all of you, and God bless.